Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Honda Civic power window. First, let's start with some basic checks. Begin by locating your vehicle's fuse box, typically found under the dashboard or hood. Look for a blown fuse, which often appears as a broken wire inside. A faulty fuse is a common culprit, and replacing it with a new one of the correct amperage, usually around 20 or 30 amps, might solve your problem quickly. Also, listen carefully for any motor sounds when you press the window switch. If the fuse is fine and you hear no motor sounds, the issue likely lies with the motor or regulator. You'll need to carefully remove the inner door panel to gain access. This usually involves unscrewing a few fasteners and gently prying the panel off. Once exposed, you can test the power window motor by applying 12 volts directly to its terminals. If the motor doesn't respond, it's probably faulty. Also, visually inspect the window regulator mechanism for any signs of damage, like bent tracks or broken cables. Replacing a faulty motor or regulator is a straightforward process. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the old motor. Then, carefully unbolt the entire window regulator assembly from the door frame. There are typically 4 to 6 bolts holding it in place. Once removed, you can install the new motor and regulator assembly. Make sure to align it correctly with the window glass and secure all the mounting bolts tightly. This ensures smooth operation and prevents future issues. Before you put everything back together, it's crucial to test your work. Reconnect all electrical connectors to the window switch and motor. Then, operate the window up and down several times to confirm it functions smoothly and without any binding. Once you're satisfied with its operation, carefully reattach the inner door panel, making sure all clips and screws are securely fastened. This final check ensures your Honda Civic's power window is working perfectly again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.